Governor Greg Abbott is calling for changes to the state's bail system. He wants judges to consider a suspect's criminal past before setting bond. KXAN's Wes Rappaport looks at the case the governor is using to push for reform.
After his death, I was sad, and of course I was angry, but I also knew that in order to honor his memory, I needed to work towards meaningful change in our system.
And to honor that memory of DPS Trooper Damon Allen, his wife has worked to change the way Texas judges set bail.
A flaw in our legal system that must be fixed.
Governor Greg Abbott urging lawmakers to pass the Damon Allen Act aimed at strengthening public safety by increasing communication in the courts. The man accused of murdering Trooper Allen on Thanksgiving Day last year during a routine traffic stop had a history of violence towards law enforcement, which the judge in his most recent case did not know about.
He should have been behind bars and not on the road that day.
Now, under this plan, I am also calling for a statewide case management system so that judges and magistrates can have all the information they need before making a ruling on setting bail.
The Texas State Troopers Association backs the proposal.
Anything that they can access that would give them any indication of what they're dealing with would be important.
But the American Civil Liberties Union wants a closer look before it supports the plan.
Until we see something on paper, we really won't know.
Amid concerns about some people's inability to pay cash bonds and lives spiraling as they wait for their day in court.
Next session, we hope that reforms go a bit further than what the governor proposed today.
Hopefully we can keep behind bars people like the killer of Damon Allen.
Wes Rappaport, KXAN News.
Abbott says only judges and not lower-level magistrates should set bond in felony cases. Allen's suspected killer, DeBrett Black, has pleaded not guilty to capital murder charges.